Hello. People often ask me about whether or not they should close a credit card that they haven't used in a while. My answer is always no. What a lot of people don't know that is if you close a credit card, all of the positive payment history that you have will be erased, and that will cause your credit score to drop or decrease drastically. So I always tell people, even if you are also at your limit, do not close your credit card because there are things that you can do, like ask about lower interest rates. Look for money in your budget where you can make extra payments on your credit cards. There are so many things that you can do before you close your credit card, and as I mentioned, that will result in dramatic decreases in your scores. So if you would like to know more about how to manage your credit the right way and how to use a credit card properly, feel free to reach out to me to learn more about my resources, how I help people to get their finances back on track, including their credit, how to manage their debt, and all of those things. I'm Dr. Andrea Johnson, your doctor of finance. Have a wonderful day.